If you want to hire a lawn care service, you may be asking yourself, are all lawn care materials the same? Is there really that much difference with fertilizer, weed, and insect control? You may be surprised to learn that there is a big difference that can make a big impact. If you've tried to do it yourself in the past, you may already know this frustration. The products available at your local store and the ones pros have access to can produce different results. But there's also a varying degree of quality within professional products. When you hire a pro to fertilize your lawn, you're trusting that they're doing the right things. But sadly, there are companies that try to maximize profit by buying the cheapest fertilizers they can find. And how much fertilizer they put down also matters as well. When it comes to weed control, the differences in product quality are more obvious. If a lawn company uses inferior products, there may be some weeds they can't control. Some of these weeds may require specialized materials, and some lawn care companies may not include this in their initial offering. The same goes for insects and grubs. They're easy to control if a lawn care service uses the latest and greatest materials. At Grassperson, we believe you deserve the best lawn on the block and a hassle-free customer experience. That doesn't happen by using cheap lawn care materials and taking half measures. We're passionate about choosing the best products and team members to keep you happy for years to come. We wouldn't have it any other way, and neither should you.